Okay, so since I last filmed, I've done a few things that I didn't capture on camera, so I wanted to tell you about them for reassembly. Okay, so I had gotten as far as the balance shafts being installed below the crankshaft. So since then, I installed the oil pickup tube inside within the oil pan. That's just one bolt, so real easy, not much to that. Just stick that pickup tube into the proper fitting and one bolt holds it down, and then I put on the oil pan itself. 14 10 millimeter bolts hold that, and then it was time to bring the motor into the engine bay. So I lowered it down real careful. I've got it now connected to the transmission. So 3 18 millimeter bolts that are tightened to about 87 foot-pounds each for the spec. I also attached 4 struts, brackets, collars. There's this is the strut, the this triangular shaped one here that connects the engine to the transmission. There's 2 bolts, 2 big ones that go into the transmission, 3 that go into the block. Underneath here that you cannot see, that it's called the collar. The collar kind of fits up where you would normally put in a wrench to tighten the torque converter bolts. There's 4 torque converter bolts, and I got those tightened up as well. You can actually see, well, in the starter motor hole here, you can see one of the torque converter bolts on the flywheel. Those are all tightened up, torqued to spec. So, yep, engine and transmission are now fully bolted together, and there's the collar under there. This collar, I think this is a strut or bracket, one of them. Then there's this larger bracket for 15 millimeter bolts holding it to the engine block. This holds the air conditioning compressor. It holds the let's see, I think it's the belt tensioner for the timing belt, the pulley tensioner, and it also takes the lower engine strut that keeps it from rocking around. So this one bracket here does a number of tasks. It holds a lot of things. Above that is the bracket for the power steering pump. Can't really see it, it's behind there. This bracket right here. So I've gotten all those things on the motor so far for reassembly. So yeah, now it's time to move on to other things. I have the knock sensor right here that I'm starting to screw in. It's just one bolt, and then I have the crankshaft positioning sensor right here, which is just one little 8 millimeter bolt, and that's it. I'm just going to start slowly bolting things on.
Thank